Well, hello there. Welcome to Beer et Chocolat. What we do here is, as you can see, we're just finished up with the tasting today of SingleCut's the Bright and Hollow Sky DD Double Dry Hopped India Pale Ale, and just topped off the glass. The tasting notes for this can be found right up there in the banner if you're interested. What we do is we finish up, as I say, we top it up, and then first of all we have a little sample of the Hershey's milk chocolate. Very basic milk chocolate, nothing exciting, nothing, no strange, no, just basic. And we sample that, then we match it up with the beer and see if it is a hit or a miss. Okay, let's get started. Very briefly, this is a very light double dry hopped India Pale Ale. It's more of an aromatic thing. There's plenty of body in here. It's a nice roasted grain type of richness to it. So it is more along that line. But it is low. It's not for a dry hopped. It was a little lightweight. So that's the flavor profile. Let's start with the chocolate. Mouth covering. Very kind of like that buttery thing. It's not cocoa butter, but there's some oils in there for sure that cover the palate. The sweetness with just a little hint of chocolate. I call it Easter Bunny chocolate. All right, so here we go. You know, it's kind of like as I used to say in my day, it's like kissing your maiden aunt. It's not exciting, but it's there and it's comfortable, and you know, that's about it. So is it a hit or a miss? It's a there. I guess that's the only way to place it. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be appreciated, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the old growler, looking forward to seeing you next time on Beer et Chocolat.